ConvaTec Moldable Technology Skin Barriers provide a personalized, custom fit around the stoma to help protect the peristomal skin. They require no cutting or guesswork, making them very easy to use. Let's get started with the application of the skin barrier. Step 1. Preparation. Measure the stoma using the enclosed stoma measuring guide and select the proper size ConvaTec Moldable Technology Natura skin barrier. If you have questions about selecting the proper size, please contact our Me Plus team at 1-800-422-8811. Remove the skin barrier from the package, but do not remove the clear release liner on the circular adhesive cover backing or the white release paper from the flexible fabric collar. Note: this is a moldable product. The use of scissors is not necessary. To personalize the stoma opening, place your thumbs or fingers at the center of the starter hole and begin to roll the adhesive back. Do not stretch the adhesive back. Roll it back and form the adhesive to mirror the shape of your stoma. Periodically hold the skin barrier over your stoma to assess the shape through the clear release liner window. Once you are satisfied that the shape of the skin barrier opening is formed similar to your stoma, gently press the rolled adhesive down on itself. Step 2. Applying the skin barrier to your skin. Find the blue tab and remove the clear release liner from the skin barrier. Immediately center the opening over your stoma and press the skin barrier into place. The rolled adhesive part should gently snug the wall of the stoma. Therefore, if necessary, readjust the rolled adhesive back towards the stoma to create a snug fit. For optimal performance, press down on the rolled adhesive where it meets the stoma to ensure a good seal. Do this along the entire perimeter of the stoma. Then, hold the circular adhesive in place for at least 30 seconds to secure the barrier to the skin. Remove the white release paper from the hydrocolloid fabric collar and press against the skin, smoothing out any wrinkles. Step 3. Applying the pouch. Before attaching the pouch, allow a small amount of air to enter the pouch by gently separating the sides. Align the plastic ring on the pouch with the ring on the skin barrier. Press the two rings together, beginning at the bottom, working your way up to the top of the ring. Several clicks may be heard. Double-check rings are securely snapped together by pressing all the way around the rings a second time. Step 4. Removing the pouch. Using one hand, gently peel the skin barrier and pouch down and away. With the other hand, push down on the skin above the barrier to aid removal. To find out more, call 1-800-422-8811 to speak with one of our Me Plus specialists, or you can visit ConvaTec.com.